Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So today guys we're going to be refreshing and cleaning the seats of this car, and I will be using the Karcher SC2 steamer here. And I'm not going to be using chemicals here today, just the steamer with distilled water and a few microfiber cloths to wipe down the seats. And basically I just go over it in different kind of motions. I'm still in a sort of experimental phase with the steamer. Try to work slower, then I try to work a bit quicker. Yeah, the seats have a few stains on them, and I want to tell you in advance they haven't been removed completely. But I came down later on and used some chemicals to remove the stains. Probably these seats could use some extraction, but the key here, my goal was just to sort of refreshen the seats. And as everybody knows, the steamer with its high temperature, it kind of has a sort of sanitizing effect, if that's the right word to use. But ultimately, after you finish steaming the seats and after they dry, they kind of it's like something I would describe like when you wash your clothes and then you iron them and they're really nice and crispy. Same thing with the seat here. There you kind of refreshing them and they feel very nice. You can use them in combination with chemicals, obviously, like some other car detailers do. The car isn't particularly too dirty. The key here is just to kind of refreshen everything up a little bit, get the, I don't want to say odors. This car doesn't particularly sting, but again, it's just to freshen up, and steam gets into all the tight nooks and crannies. And the car has been maintained pretty well, so it's not a big thing, not a big deal. But doing this once in a while is quite good. And I just decided to do this on this car because the seats are fully made out of fabric. And yeah, they get dirty from people moving in and out of the car or eating in the car sometimes. This is not my car, by the way, but and people touch, they drop food. Even though I kind of wipe it down with chemicals, you still want to, maybe if you have a steamer, go over it. If you have an extractor, maybe you can do an extraction if necessary too. But it's nice having a steamer and to steam the seats once in a while. The steamer is very good. I've done a video on it. I put a liter in the tank, and I think you can do at least 2-3 cars like this. Just going over it really quickly. I went over the top, the seats, where most of the sitting position is. As you can see, these door cards as well, there's a bit of fabric there on the front passenger and driver side. If the seat got really damp, obviously I wiped them down. I always do that. When the seats get damp, I try to microfiber them down. The carpets here, they're not that dirty. I vacuum them, and then again, because they're probably the most dirtiest fabric in this car, it's good to go with a steamer over them once in a while. You will feel certain freshness when you go over with the steamer overall in the car after it dries and everything. But the car dries quite quick. I think it's like half an hour to an hour in these weather conditions. So basically, yeah, very basic steamer this Karcher is. Works quite good. And just a nice tool to have, and it's not really expensive. As I mentioned, I paid like 100 euros, which is about 85 pounds. And the cloth I'm using here is the genuine Karcher cloth that comes with it. It fits on that attachment really well. I don't use other microfibers, so this will go into the washing machines as soon as I finish. So yeah, just a nice refreshment. As you can see, I didn't pick up any dirt. So the seats are slightly damp in this video. Some of the stains on the driver side have come out a little bit, but there's still that little stain on the passenger side. So But anyway, thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.